Hello, beautiful. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hello, welcome. My name is Jeannie. I'm so glad you decided to stop in. Today is Friday, and I was just getting ready for work when I got a notification that my Ipsy / BoxyCharm creator package had arrived, and I've got a little bit of time. I know we're all still very excited and inquisitive on what the long-term merge is going to look like for us. So I thought that I would do a quick unboxing, show you what I got in my PR package. Now, keep in mind, this is gifted, so thank you so much, Ipsy, for sending it my way. I also do purchase my own, so when my paid for comes, I will definitely be back to share that as well. But since it's not even choice opens up on the 2nd and the 3rd for the BoxyCharm by Ipsy, I thought getting this up early could help some people in deciding on their choices. Now, I'm obviously all ready for work, so I will not be trying the products right now. But I will do a separate video, hopefully tomorrow. I will get it up before that choice day to help further assist in your choices for your box for the month of July. Now, I have not even opened this yet, so this is going to be a first impressions for both of us, and I can't wait to get in to the goodies. So it looks like I actually got 3 packages this month, and typically I get the OG regular Glam Bag, the BoxyCharm by Ipsy, and then on the Icon months, I do get that as well, but this is not an Icon month, but there are 3 packages in here, so we will see what we are working with. I am really excited to jump into the BoxyCharm by Ipsy. There was some spoilers that I'm pretty excited about, so I want to see what we got. This is just I guess the theme for July is the Great Escape. We are planning the Great Escape. And then this is just basically a creator's card, and there's not really too much information on it. So we'll just move along. I'm going to just kind of slit the tape on the side of the box here so that we can jump right in. Okay. So, one thing I do miss about the old school BoxyCharm is getting the cards that tell us a little bit of information about each product, the retail value of each product. I really do miss that. But anyhow, the first product in this box is from Rodial, and it is a brightening cleanser. It looks like it's a vitamin C cleanser. I really do like the packaging on this. I like bright colors, especially in the summertime, but whoops. Yeah, so we got a cleanser. Rodial is an expensive brand, so I would imagine this cleanser is not cheap. Kind of looks like it's a gel consistency. So yeah, we got a cleanser. Next up by Verb, we got the Ghost Exfoliating Scalp Nectar. So it looks like it's a scalp exfoliant. I have recently been into that. I got one actually it was the very first beauty boost that Ipsy sent me in PR, and it was the Drunk Elephant Scalp Exfoliator, and I do like that. So I'm definitely intrigued to give this a try. Next we got, it looks to be a Natasha Denona palette. Now, I do remember from the spoilers that this is a BoxyCharm or Ipsy exclusive. So these palettes are only available in the subscription box. And the name of this palette is called Fez. And mine, unfortunately, did arrive shattered. So that shade on the end there is completely broken. That's a bummer. So I will try and see if I can press that shade back together, but I'm not going to do it. I was going to do some swatches, but you guys, I've got to go to work after this. I don't want to make a mess all over that I'm not going to be able to clean up. As you can see, it's completely shattered there. So that's definitely a bummer. It's too bad that they didn't put the palettes in some bubble wrap. Because yeah, if my paid for box comes with a broken eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be upset. Now, Of course, this is gifted to me, so I can't really be mad. I'm grateful for what I get, but Ipsy, take heed. Put the eyeshadow palettes in some bubble wrap because we're going to be upset if we're paying for broken products. So there's that. Now, next up from Wing Me, we got a clear brow gel. I have very little color to my brows. They're like an very light ashy brown. So clear brow gels are not my jam. I need a little bit of color in my brow gel, and I just don't have enough natural brow hair to need a clear gel. But the packaging is nice. It's kind of like a frosted glass, and if you are somebody who's into clear brow gels, this might be a good thing to try. I think for me, I'll put this aside for a giveaway here on the channel, or pass it on to a loved one that might get use out of it, because like I said, with my natural eyebrows, just not my thing, but still cool product to get. And then next, this is by Lucky Chick, and it is a lip and cheek multi-stick. So it looks like it's going to be probably like a cream blush slash lip product. So that is the shade on it. Now, this is a shade that I do really like. I love my pinky nudes, pinky mauves. This is actually like marbled. It's got some brown in there and then a really pretty pinky shade. So I will definitely use this. Let's do a little swatch. Ooh, that's actually really, really pretty. Okay, I like that a lot. So I'm excited for that. All right, yeah, really bummed about that palette. If anything, if I can't press that shadow back in, then I'll just clean, I'll just clean that pan completely out and get use out of the other colors, but still, I've got so much on his desk right now. All right, let's check out what we got in our Ipsy bag. Now, the Ipsy bag is going to be mostly deluxe size samples. You will get a full-size product here and there. I did get a cute little bag. Nice little satin bag. I do enjoy these bags. I use them for travel and different things, so never mad at getting a cute bag. The first thing that I'm seeing, and this is a full-size product, this is by e.l.f., and it is their Power Grip with 4% niacinamide. So it is a primer. I think it is a remake of their very popular gripping primer, but with some added skincare benefit included in the formula. So I like that. I love primers, but I'm definitely more along the line of like pore filling primers, and I do like some really good illuminating primers from time to time because I'm on the drier side, so like Power Grip primer is not my thing, but I do love primer with skincare in it, so I'll definitely try it now that I have it. And next up from Mud Masky, we got the Vitamin A Boosting French Clay Mask. That is going to be a deluxe size sample size for that. Next up from, who is this from? So it's a liquid kohl liner. So that is also a full-size product. So 2 full-size products in the Glam Bag so far. That is not bad. We get a lot of liners in the regular Glam Bag, but you know, liners are something that a lot of people go through quickly. So not necessarily a bad thing. Next up, we did get a brush, and this is from Toy Factory. I want to say Toy Factory is like a sister brand to another popular brand. I'd have to look it up. Let me know in the comments down below if that is something that you heard or if that is something I am just making up. All right, so this is how the brush looks. I do really like the crystal iridescent coloring on it, and it does feel ultra, ultra soft. So I love getting brushes. I feel like it's something you can never have too many of. So not mad at that. And then, oh, of course, the Lottie London palette is in bubble wrap, but not the Natasha Denona one. That makes no sense. But we got a Lottie London eyeshadow palette. Looks like very neutral, everyday tones. I don't even know if I've tried this brand as far as eyeshadows. I think you can get Lottie London in like Walmart's, if I'm not mistaken. But I do like these little quads for travel, especially for like camping trips. And I just want to do, you know, I'm not going to do no extravagant makeup look. I just want to do something quick, have a little something going on. I do enjoy these little quads for that. So yeah. All right, not bad, not bad. 2 full-size products in the Glam Bag. All right, and then let's check out this extra package that they sent for me. Again, it is in that same bag, so that's cool. Double bags. And all right, so this looks like they are sending some refreshments out to creators this month. And you guys, I have actually gotten this kit before. This is their Dazzling 5-blade razor kit. These razors are amazing. I have tried them in the past, the Ipsy refreshment razors. They were sent to me in a prior package. I believe when they first launched the refreshments, these were sent over to me to try, and I enjoy them very, very much. They are really, really good. They're right up there with like the 5-blade Venuses, amazing razors. So can't say enough about that. And then a pillowy shave cream. Awesome. Okay. Thank you so much, Ipsy. Really, really excited about these razors, actually. And a nice shave cream to go with it. Okay, awesome. So all in all, I think this was okay. Again, I'm a little upset over, you know, receiving a broken palette. Hopefully that won't be the case for us, for my paid for, and then like for all of you out there paying for your boxes, because that would be pretty upsetting. I will say that there was some other things I saw in the spoilers that I didn't see in my creator package that I'm really hoping I get the option to choose for my paid for. One of them being the Kate Berkey silk primer that I was seeing in the spoilers. It's got some skincare in it. The way that it's described reminds me a lot of my absolute go-to every day, whether I'm wearing makeup or not, primer. This is my 3rd tube of this. This is the Cali Ray So Blown Collagen Peptide Primer. Amazing. And the way that this primer that is in the spoilers is described reminds me of that. So I'm thinking it might be similar and I might really love it. So I'm hoping to choose that. I'm really hoping to get a Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette that isn't busted. And then there were some other things that I felt like I was excited about that I didn't see in here. It's not coming to mind at the moment, but let me know down below what you guys think of this package here. Let me know what you're hoping to get in your box, and I will come back tomorrow and we'll try some of these products out. Might help you out on the 2nd and 3rd for your choices. Of course, when it comes to the Glam Bag, we've already made our choices for July, but we still have to make our choices for the BoxyCharm by Ipsy. So yeah, guys, that's going to be it for me today. I am off to work on a Friday night. I hope you all have a fabulous, fabulous Friday, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye.